Okay, the recording is in progress. This is just a short test to test after doing the update to, what is it, version 5.11.4, I think is the new one. Hang on, let me see something over here. Apps Discover, all right. Anyway, moving right along, I was getting ready to try and test the recording from Zoom direct to YouTube. But I can't find that anywhere. Where it used to be, you could record to Facebook or whatever, Facebook Prime, Facebook, YouTube, and the RCC. Apparently now you have got a app thing that you have to use. I haven't used that, so I'm going to just go ahead and throw this on the Zoom cloud, get it down, then put it up on YouTube. And as I said, just a short test of the lighting and sound now that we have updated to the version, or 5.11.4 or whatever it is. Anyway, I'm now going to stop the recording, let it render, and then I've got some Zoom meetings to go through, or Meet meetings. Full plate today before doctor's appointments tomorrow. Bye.